How to apply LUTs for color grading in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and make sure your video clip is placed on the timeline. Next, select the clip you want to color grade by clicking on it. Then, go to the effects panel and search for Apply LUT. Once you find it, drag and drop the Apply LUT effect onto your clip in the timeline. Now in the Effect Stack panel, click on the LUT file option. Use the drop-down menu to load and apply a LUT of your choice. Once you select the LUT, it will be applied directly to your video. You will immediately see the color grading effect take place on your footage. If you want to experiment with different LUTs, simply repeat the process and load another LUT file until you find a look that fits your project best. You can also change the interpolation mode to adjust how the LUT is applied based on your visual preference. And that's it. Now you know how to apply LUTs for color grading in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.